Hello there, everybody, and guess what? It's been a while since I made videos about DQ Blizzard treats. And now, the flavor of today is Snickers Brownie Blizzard. See that? It's got yummy brownies with some yummy Snicker candies. Alright, so anyways, let's give this a try and see how it tastes. So let's give this a try. Mmm. Yum yum. Yummy. It tastes like Snickers with some chocolate brownies with them. Mmm. Delicious. See? Look at that. Really yummy. And here comes the big one. Mmm. Delicious. So anyways, guys, I highly recommend try this flavor. It's really yummy and delicious. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos that will help me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video, and stay tuned. Bye.